If you've lost access to your YouTube account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the YouTube sign-in page. Go to the YouTube website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your email address associated with your account and click Next. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. If you can't remember your password or if your account has been compromised, click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Follow the account recovery process. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to secure your account. Step 5. Review account activity and security settings. After regaining access, review your account activity for any unauthorized changes. Check your security settings and enable two-factor authentication for added protection. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your YouTube account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant about your account activity to prevent future issues.